Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize Equalizer on OnePlus Buds Pro 2. And to do this you will need to get the Helly Melody app, add your earbuds to the app. I showed you previously on how to do it, and now let's go for the Soundmaster Equalizer. Right here you can change between your already made setups or add your own by clicking on Add Equalizer, and here adjust it to your liking. Now go back. Right here click on the pen and paper, and now you can enter a name for the preset. Let's call it Hard. Confirm. And from here it will be visible in a custom equalizer options. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.